Hi, this is Scott with Data Solutions. One of the questions we get here a lot is, what is PII and why do I need to be concerned about it? PII is personally identifiable information. So it's those factors that businesses gather about individuals that identify a unique person. So this could be anything from name, social security number, passports, things like addresses, emails, phone numbers, birth dates, and credit card information. So the first thing you would want to do is to make sure you identify what it is that you're collecting. A lot of times in organizations you're collecting information from various sources and all that gets gathered and it may not be stored in the same place. So first off, look and see what it is that you're gathering, and then identify the regulations that you need to follow for your particular industry. A lot of industries identify how that information needs to be handled, stored, and secured specifically because of the industry that you're in. The third thing that you would do is perform a PII audit. So doing this basically gives you a chance to look at your risk associated with any kind of threats or vulnerabilities that your organization might have from the outside. So this leads towards looking at safeguards that you might want to implement to better secure this information. Another step that you would want to take is securely delete the information that you don't need to store anymore. It's not needed for the business. There are no longer customers. Maybe you're holding on information too long, or you just in general have too much information on file. The next thing that you'd want to do is classify by what's confidential and what's privacy as far as that impact is. And what this means is that different types of information should be given different types of preference. An email list needs to be secured for sure, but it might have a much lower priority than a credit card number, for instance. And then the last thing you would want to look at is just kind of review and update any of the safeguards. So you've got email processes, you've probably got some software that's assisting you, antivirus or other software. Take a look at those things and see if they're working the way that you would like. And then the last thing then is just go through and update your policies then based on what you found. Hopefully this is helpful. We're always here ready to help and assist anyone that might have questions or want further information. Again, this is Scott at Coleman Data Solutions, and thanks. Have a great day.